Hey guys, when camping, this is essential to get hot boiling water quickly, whether you're making coffee or you're making food. This is great to make ramen and stuff. We got this Jetboil, which is really awesome because this is less than a liter of water, but it boils it in roughly 2 minutes. It has fins on the bottom to absorb the heat, and the flames are really, really compact. This whole kit is really compact and it fits into itself. It has a cozy to keep that mug or the pot insulated, so you can actually hold it and other stuff like that. There is a cloth handle, and this thing is really cool. It's mostly plastic on the thing, and it also has an auto igniter. The little black button right there just ignites it, and you turn that little lever right there to change the amount of heat level, which is cool. So the fins do all the work and heat this water up in roughly around under 2 minutes. The base does have a extender base, so you could put it on the bottom of the fuel so you can actually put larger items or make it more stable. But overall, this is an awesome, awesome essential tool for camping.